Hey, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the watch this video for, let's see, Tuesday, June 13th. The SPY continues higher. If I put the high at those August highs there, you can see we're kind of a little break above that. Very, very strong market. Dow is up 189. I don't have any highlights from today because I only was around for maybe the first hour or two. As most of you know, my mom's in town and she's leaving in the morning, so I'm back to full-time attention to the markets tomorrow. But today had a house full of people celebrating my birthday, and it was super fun. But so now I'm back to the grind tomorrow. All right. So anyway, there's the SPY. Let me show you just what I'm watching for tomorrow. APRN, kind of a quiet inside day today after the big rip Friday. We're gonna watch that one. Carvana. I almost wasn't gonna put this on the list. It did bounce a little bit today. I don't know. I'll keep it on watch. It's definitely a recent high flyer. AUUD had a big pop today on massive volume, 147 million shares, closing in the upper half of its range. So I still think it's worth possibly trading tomorrow if we get an A+ setup. Beyond BYND, Beyond Meat, pop on Thursday, quiet day on Friday, and I would have preferred a stronger close in this one, but you still could argue, hey, we're flagging since the pop, so I am going to put it on watch again. QUBT, I've been talking about this. This one had a high of one. Let me get this right here. One. It's not working. Okay, there, 165, and then that was what, 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. Today hit 165 again. So just that horizontal line there, it's interesting over that. RXRX, I talked about this flag coming into today, and we're kind of breaking to the upside. Still a catalyst above right there. So I'm going to put that right back on long watch. Plug, which is Plug Power. Nice kind of little mini breakout today on decent volume. They've had what sounded like a lot of good news coming out lately, so we're going to watch that one. SHOP, very strong after the big run here. It's right back up near recent highs. Handsome daily chart there. OMH, nice pop today, and it looks like all-time record volume, and it topped at 562. But with that big volume, and it's kind of got a long base here, it certainly could continue tomorrow, so I'm going to put that one on watch. CC goes right back on bounce watch like it was on bounce watch today. DOCU had the gap up on earnings yesterday, sold off, yesterday meaning Friday, then sold off a little bit again today. I think it's a more handsome setup than it was for a potential bounce tomorrow. MVIS, very strong stock. Now we got a couple red days in a row on declining volume. I'm going to put that on bounce watch. And then lastly, IBIO, which doesn't have an interesting daily chart, but in after hours, this thing was trading higher. I'm not sure where though, but if it's still gapping in the morning, I definitely want to watch that one. Let me try to figure out where it ended up closing. At $1.08 maybe is where it went out in after hours. So they obviously had earnings or something, some kind of headline in after hours. So if that one's still gapping, we'll put that on the gap playlist in the morning. And as always, we'll add other gappers that we find together in the pre-market and hopefully catch some good trades tomorrow. All right, that's it for me.